we have a 2016 GMC Terrain all-wheel drive, 26,500 miles, clean auto check, comes with balance of factory warranty. Give you a look at it. So it does have a nice chrome grille, along with the lower chrome fascia. It does have the chrome backed high definition headlights, along with your driving lights. Bring it around and show you the tires and wheels. It does have an alloy wheel, and you have Michelin rubber on there. They look to be about an 18-inch tire and wheel, around half tread on the rubber. It does have a nice chrome mirror caps, goes along with the door handles and the trim. See, the interior is black on black, has black cloth seats, split buckets, has a Pioneer sound system. Does have some nice brushed aluminum trim on the doors and the dash. And the roof racks and satellite radio antenna on top. And the rear, you have a power source on the back of the console there. Does have the flip down cup holders slash armrest. Does have the bench style rear seating. And of course the seats fold down for extra storage space, which comes in handy if you need room to haul anything. And of course you can see the SLE model. Badging on the back, all-wheel drive. Does have a nice chrome trim on the rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear defrost, rear wiper. That's how the rear backup cam right here above where your plate will be mounted. And quite a bit of storage space in the back. And if you flip the floor panel up there, that's where you have your spare tire, you have your jack and your tools, all the stuff you need there in case you were to have a flat. Do a 12-volt power source back there also. Tires are pretty uniform all the way around. Give you a look in there. We'll go ahead and take you inside and give you a little bit of a look at the interior. You will see your power locks, windows, and mirrors are on your driver's door. And your driver's seat, power controls for that. And you have your dimmer switch for your interior lighting. See, the current mileage is 26,532. And on your steering wheel, to the left you have your cruise control settings. On the right you have your voice activation, voice recognition system, your audio controls, and your knob that sticks out on the left side is your headlights, and to the opposite side of that you have your front and rear wipers, and your display screen for your audio, AM, FM, CD, XM. You can sync all your devices through there. Heating and air conditioning controls, driver and passenger controls for heated seating, automatic transmission selector with the option to change manually if you choose with that button, traction control, cubby there, nice couple deep cup holders, and a real deep center console. And as you see down there, you do have a plug for USB and an aux plug. And I think I mentioned it does have the Pioneer audio system. Real nice clean car, no tears, no rips in the upholstery or seats, no foul odors. We're going to go ahead and give you a look at the engine bay. see it's also nice and clean under there. That's your engine. You have a 3.6 liter V6, variable valve timing, direct injection. Pretty stable engine. GM uses that for a lot of their vehicles now. Fuel mileage, you can expect to get around 23, 24 miles per gallon on highway, around 15 per gallon around town. Depending on your driving habits, of course, that'll affect them a little bit. Give you a look at the lighting. And the last thing we are going to do on this video is walk you around and see if we can find any blemishes or imperfections. That way, in case you're interested in coming out to take a look, you already know as much about it as what we do. That's a really clean car, so I don't think we'll find a whole lot. There are a couple little marks here on the top of the back bumper, little scuffs. They have been touched up and clear coated over, so they will not give you any issues. Wheels are all nice, no curb rash or anything on the wheels. A couple small stone chips on the chrome grille. All in all, this is a super clean terrain. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, or maybe setting up a test drive, you can give us a call. Salespeople will be happy to help you out. Our number here is 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.